Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to draw King from The Owl House, the Disney show The Owl House. And thanks to Parker for your suggestion. So I'm just going to construct King up first, breaking him down into simple shapes. So we've got a circle for the head. Now I'm just going to draw like an oval shape for the body that gets bigger as it comes down. His head's probably the same size as his body, and then we've got a leg here and another leg there, and then we've got this tail comes out, and then we've got an arm that's going to be there, and then the other arm there, and then we've got this shape here. Got an eye, circle for the eye, and then the nose part comes out there. So I've got enough construction there to draw him now with a 0.3 multi-liner, and I'm going to start with the head shape. So I'm going to bring this curved line around here like so. And I'm going to keep coming, and then this is going to be the eye, one eye that's going to come in there. And this comes around like this, and then there's the eye ball inside here with another circle, and you guessed it, another circle there. Now out to the nose of King, comes out and down and then back up like that. Now he's got, I guess it's a tusk or a tooth out there. Then he's got a diamond tooth, which is directly sort of underneath this eye. So I like to compare where things are when I'm drawing. So there's his tooth. And then he's got a shape that comes up. And then that's why I've started there. And then this curves around to there. Then we've got this curve that comes around. Now when you want to show fur, you do some zigzags like this. So cool little zigzags. So the artist has put those in there. Now we've got the horns. I'm assuming they're horns. Looks pretty cool. 1, 2. Now we've got a big circle, so probably could go a little bit bigger because the gap between there is a bit bigger than it needs to be. So I'm just going to go big circle like so. Now you've got to practice your circles. Then we've got another circle and same sort of height as that one, another circle, so pretend that was the same size, and then you guessed it, the pupil. So we've got that so far. Now we've got a couple of little teeth, which is like a little line like this. Don't forget the nose. It's like a V shape. It sits in there. Comes down, up like that. Colour that in black. Starting to take shape now. These outer edges are black as well, which I'll colour in later. Now, we've got this little bit of fur there around the neck. A little zigzag there. Then we've got a line for the belly. I'm just going to bring that belly out a bit, and then that line comes down and hits this front leg that you see in the front. Little V shape like that, like a zigzag, and this is where the toes are going to come. One there, one out there. Try and keep them the same sort of size. It's going to come up, so we're going to bring that up, but we're just going to leave a bit of a space there because this is the arm. The arm comes down. I keep coming around, and then this is the first claw there. The line comes across, then down, then back up like that. Then bring that claw up into there. Now we've got the tail. Tail basically is here. One zigzag there, then it comes around like so. Then we have have like a W in there. Remember, drawing is going to help you with your writing as well. So the more you draw, the better you're going to get at writing. There's his belly, other leg. This time we've got 1, 2 bumps there. There's one toe. There's the other toe. Now we've got his other arm that you see a little bit at the top of there. Comes in behind and you'll see a finger. Just bring that around and you'll see one little one there. So same height as that. Okay, King needs to have all his black parts sorted out now. So I'm going to get a 1.0 and I'm just going to colour in some of King's black parts in, especially around the eyes. It's going to look way better. Hey Parker, thanks for your suggestion in drawing King. What a cool character from The Owl House on Disney. 0.5 around the edge, the outer details.